People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yeah man, blessed morning, blessed morning. Blessed Sabbath. Do give a thanks, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, line and line. That's why I go on. I hope all this blessing us. So. Yeah man. There upon the grind, you know, thing goes a daily basis thing, you know. Work, big up all of the hard working people out there, you know. Yeah man. See, big up all of the hard working people out there. Some of viewers and subscribers, yes, in this episode, I don't know, reason this morning. Because I do a look at TikTok and you know, two persons reach out to me and say, yo, Lionfoot, we love that big man reasoning there. But I just look at skits still, but a real life settings, you see me? Where people can relate and yeah man, two persons reach out to me and I say, yo, big man think Lionfoot, yeah. Love that reasoning. There's a topic that if you touch. You see it? Yeah, so that's why I do it now. So big up on yourself. So I say, big up yourself, Tyrone. Yeah man, big up yourself, Jerry. See? Yes. Some of viewers and subscribers. We are going on a quick ad break and then show them a little TikTok skit and then roll a little meds. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man.
Yeah, man. From now on I'm gonna settle down. No more I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around. Baby. From now on I'm gonna settle down.
I'm a change man. Don't know, I'm a change man. My song is available on all platforms. You know what I mean? Produced by me. Mixed and mastered by Kendall Simpson. You know, I'm part of Belize there, see it? Yeah man, so it's available on all platforms, you know. And no more time we have to change certain ways and them things. See it? So yeah man. Support the thing and go check out the thing on Spotify, Instagram, you see me? Yeah man, iTunes, Apple. They're all over man, you see it? All the product out there, you see it? So this is a skit, the little skit I do yesterday and things. So watch what I got. Yeah man, watch out, my friend, I see the major device, you know, I'm Eric, Lionfoot in the years and eyes. And this officer man, I say them a big man, but them act like little boy. See, them have them good woman at home, you know, wash cook for them and do everything for them. See, and them there road that spend time and waste time and not paying attention to them. Woman, see, them party, right through their pub, barber shop, then them come in like a tired hog, drop asleep. Snow down the place, no soldering for the woman. Next day them gonna do the same thing again. And them woman they at home lonely, insecure. They on internet, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Make connection with all the next man now till she end up give her the nookie. And him find out him start mad and start act sad and start bad. My yo, tell them when you make a woman go give her the nookie. Fix up yourself and make sure so when I say enough of the thing I wrote in the book, make sure so your woman at home is comfortable and feel secure and feel loved. Yeah man. That's the message of the day, see? Yeah man. I really think I told me doing them, I do one for the female them to the boring girl them. Some women are boring, so I'm gonna touch on that. Yeah, but that one particularly, you know, my brother Jerry and Tyrone reach out and say, you know, them love the men say, is it? I mean, a real thing when in life, more time, I want to know to draw the line and slow down, you know? Because I know I get older. Enough man now, well, me about brother say, boy, I don't want to get old and lonely, you see me? And then man, wild like how me used to wild. Me used to wild, you know? I say wild. Internationally wild, you see me? you know music thing already, you see it? Yeah man, enough trouble me give my people man, enough trouble. You see it? But yeah. You know some man so out there floss. Some man just want party. Make money and I send them a one bag of gal and you know, pub life, dancehall life. Bookie life, living on the bookie, the gambling shop. And a repetitive basis, you know, in, out. And the same thing, nothing not change, you see me? Nothing not change, them lifestyle not change, and them women at home not get no time, no quality time, no attention. Whereas if some of our kids, you nah see them enough time to spend enough time. You see me? And right now, I do my look 95 and I ask at some time I try to get reschedule up my work pattern and I can spend some more time with the youth them and you know, bring them football and all of them things and you see me? So yeah, some man spend the quality time with them family at home. Zine. And then them relationships start break down now, you know, slowly till they get worse and worse. And them now realize because them say them a top man, them a hot boy, them a money, them a make crazy money in whatever way them do to make them money. You see me? And now we say, yo, wife here, the girlfriend, baby mother at home need some fame time, you know, attention, you know. Oh God! Yes, we got. You see me? Yeah, man, big up Savior, big up Savior, you see me? Yeah, man, big up Savior, big baller. Yes. So, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, a real meds, man. Some man realize, see, I'm betting that I just, you know, and them man, used to live lifestyle, you see me? But them man, they change now and settle down. Big up yourself, Savior, bread back. You see me, I'm saying? Yeah, man, so, let me do that again. Yeah, so the relationship I break down at home and them nasty, you know. So boy, sometimes I can take our wife to all the cinema, you know. Just stay home and cook some food. You do some cooking for that time, you know. I don't know why if I play the wife role, or even if I'm not a wife, I play the wife role, you know, by being the mother at home, the woman, you know, cooking and house cleaning and pressing and ironing and make sure everything on point, you know. Sometimes I can surprise her, man, bring in all the man flowers, man, and you see me? Bring in a one flowers, a bunch of flowers, and we know one then some chocolate and spice her up, you know, touch her up more time on her body and them things, and you know, she feel nice and sexy. Because sometimes I just that some woman need some little comfort. It doesn't have to be sexual active, you know what I mean? Yeah, it doesn't have to be any sexual intercourse. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes those women just need some love and affection and attention. Zine? So them fail to doing that, the woman just gotta get fed up now upon Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, where she travel a couple, where she have friends, because sometimes friends lead friends astray, the woman lead them woman friend astray. You see me? Because me as a man can tell her enough time, I say to my friend, I say, yo, boss me for one of your friends. And link make a connection start. And so I say a thing, so the woman them get led astray now, distracted, divert. Zine and say, hey, first if the new man start give them to look sweet talk and speech and you know them say, hey, man, I give him a look and them give up and give her the nook, you know, and the man go find out. Whereas when the man find out now, you know, and it's not a nice feeling for you know, so your woman go give her the nook and she cheat by you. It's not a nice feeling. It's not a nice feeling. Me can tell you no. Zine? Yeah man, so yeah, man, I don't want to think about the reasoning still. A real thing, and the man them just wake up and realize it. You can share this to somebody still who you know want to hear that message and that reasoning. You see it? Yeah, man. A big man reasoning, you know. So deal with the thing, you know. You see it? Big up my brother real skill, you know what I mean? Team Flexi. We're winning, you see it? We're winning. Yeah, man, so that's the thing that my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what y'all think, see it? A lion put on another vlog we do it when I boast and brag about. Not another road to me about.
Your insecurities has taken over you. You keep accusing me for no goddamn reason. Jealousy is playing games with you. You better check yourself before you wreck your head.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.